Doing some upgrades on Smith and Wesson 617. Um, we've just done a sight upgrade on this revolver, and the sights now, original sights are good, but now we're just got a little improvement there. Another area of improvement is the grip. Now the factory grip is not bad. It's okay. It's rubber. Um, it's quite good, but um, when it comes to handguns, it's well known that the grip is a critical component in terms of accuracy, and to have a grip that fits you well is a big advantage. Now, I'm also going to show you some grips here that they look beautiful. So there's more to it than just pure function. It can be that you want to enhance the appearance of your revolver. So of course we've got our firearm is unloaded. We have a number of different wooden grips here. I like wood because wood's like it's a natural material. It's not, even though it's smooth, it's not slippery. It's a good material. This grip here is very similar in shape and size to the original grip. And I also want to show you a specialized target grip here and another sort of in between. So we've got three stages of, uh, of of options that we can go to. We can go to a grip that just looks nicer, a bit larger grip, bit better. You can get a bit better control with that, and then you've got a full-on target style. Okay, so this original grip is retained with a single screw through the center. Let's pull this off. Let's see. You can see it's in two halves. Pull that off. And now something that is critical when you're fitting grips is this. This is a round butt. Now there's different shape. Basically, there's round and square butt revolvers from Smith and Wesson, and it's just this shape here. Right now, you have to remove the grip to see what sort of butt shape you've got. Right, so you can't see it when the grip's on there because you might think, well, that's a square. But when you take it off, you see underneath that it's actually got this curved shape to it, right? And so before you go and buy a new grip, you should just check to make sure that whether you've got a square or a round butt. Now, in this case, all of these grips are designed for the round butt, which is what we have here. So, as I said before, we can go to just this one here. We've got a little pocket knife to split them apart. This is very similar to the original. Okay, and that you can also see here that there's a pin, right? There's both a pin that locates the grip, it fits in there, and you've got a screw through the center as well. So when you put your new grip on, yeah, you have to locate those pins through there. So I'll just show you. I won't fully install this one, but that's how it's going to look. It does look, it really dresses it up compared to the original one. It's nice. But if you're a target shooter, as many of my customers are wanting to are target shooters, and they want to really improve the control they have, they will fit a grip like this, a full-on target style grip. And this is the sort of upgrade that you can do yourself pretty easily. You don't need any special tools, and in a few minutes you've changed you've upgraded the performance without spending a lot of time. And you can go back at any time to the original grip. There's no rule that says you have to stay with one particular grip. Now, this gives you like beautiful control. It's really good. Um, the downside is it's hard to load with a speed loader, but depends what sort of competitions you're in. But that is a very easy to fit upgrade if you're into target shooting with your revolver. So, but we have, as I said, different grades or levels of grip. My favorite is the in between one. Suits my hand. The standard grip is a little bit small for me, so I want a little bit bigger grip. My hands aren't huge, but I find the standard grip a little bit small, so I like one that's not as elaborate as that one, but something in between. So let's put this one on. Here again, you can see this is a round butt grip. Just goes in this pin, locates in the hole in the grip. On each side there's a hole. Squeeze it in. Tighten up the screw. So for me, I like this one. It's got, it's not too bulky. It's still good for loading. Yeah, it's a bit bigger, suits my hand a bit better. But that's it. You can install grips. We can do an upgrade. It's easy to do. Anyone it's handy can do it, and it looks beautiful, and it's functional. So that's another quick upgrade you can do with by installing new grips. This is a 617. The same applies for 686 or a whole range of other models. Just watch your frame, whether you've got a round or a square frame. Make sure you get the right grips.